Today I am making a belly fat drink with pineapples, cucumber, ginger, and lime. All of these ingredients are very good at burning fat. So when you combine them into one drink, it's very powerful. So it's going to be a half a cup of pineapples. And I'm going to leave the middle part in because it has so many beneficial properties. Check out my video on all of the great benefits pineapple possess. Roughly a cup. About a quarter cup of cucumber. And I like to get the organic cucumber. And an inch of ginger. And an inch is about right here. My supply of ginger is always a little healthier than what's recommended because I am a fan of ginger. And a stalk of celery. So we're going to add all of this into a cup of water and blend. And you need to drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. And the lemon should always be added last so you don't damage the properties of the lemon. Lemons have great fat burning properties, and I add it to almost all of my drinks. So I'm just gonna blend that just a little more. All right, here we go. And some people strain it before drinking it. I just like to have it just like this so I get all of the fiber that it contains in one shot. So give it a try and let me know how it works for you. I love this for flushing my stomach out and losing the stubborn belly fat that hangs around my midsection. Be sure to follow me on Instagram where I share quick and easy tips on how you can stay healthy and immune ready. If you found anything beneficial in this video today, don't hesitate to subscribe and be sure to share this video with a friend. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next week.